Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to find the recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then, before starting your recording, click on those three dots on the left, hit Settings, and adjust them however you want to, like quality. When you're ready, go back, tap on Standard or Speech-to-Text mode, and finally hit this red button. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same button. You can even listen to it right away by swiping it and clicking on this left button to listen to it. In order to add a bookmark, just tap on Bookmark. And to end it and save it, on the right square button. Now you get to name your recording however you want to. And hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. As you can see, if you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!